Friday. It's Friday, the weekend's starting, and I'm gonna vlog because we're in quarantine, and I bet you guys want to know what I'm gonna do. Ryan, watching King of the Hill, ironing board, and my kitchen that's a little messy that I'll probably clean up this weekend. So yeah. Ryan is barbecuing some burgers because why not? I mean, it's sunny outside, so that's what we're doing. Anyway, the fire's going. Let me show you. Alright, so you can definitely see the fire right there. It's the coal. It's getting hot. That we're gonna eat. Ta-da!
Good idea.
Grilling! Yeah! Grilling! Should I grill my foot like Michael Scott?
I'll do it.
3 of the Chobani oat milks because we love them, and the sale was buy 2 get 1 free, so we're not hoarders, I swear. We also bought some Ben & Jerry's. Yes, Ryan's never had Ben & Jerry's, so we decided to buy our own. Got half baked because Rhett and Link decided that was the best one. We got some of these, but that's for later. And this is going to be for tomorrow because we're going to do some Chipotle bowls. So we got that for tomorrow. Ryan got this for his Malibu. He likes Malibu and peach iced tea. Peach iced tea. Oh my god. Good morning, everyone. It's quarantine day. I don't know. So I'm still working. I don't know if you guys know, but my work is still open. Still going into the office every day. And so I really take weekends to just be at home and work on projects. Just, you know, do what I need to do. This is what my natural hair looks like, by the way. When I don't straighten it, when I don't do anything to it. This is just my hair, my normal hair. So I'm gonna make breakfast this morning, but before I do that, I wanted to tell you guys or talk to you guys about Love with Food. So I've been getting this box for I think over 3 years now. I love it. You guys know that I love it. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in this box. Alright, so for this box, what I got was, the first thing is Beanitos. I also got Incredipuffs cinnamon apple pie. My favorite things to get are the actual beef sticks, or the Ryan's vacuuming, so if you can hear that, I'm sorry. But yeah, so it is beef sticks, beef jerky. Next is everything bagel flavored cashews. Oh my god, I love the everything bagel, so this I'm excited for. Merrick pan crafted chocolates, dark chocolate, barrel aged bourbon caramel. I don't like caramel, so this is probably gonna be for Ryan, but geez, that sounds freaking amazing. Cracklin Kamut brand wheat snack. Buffalo Blue Wing seasoned almonds. So I've already had these. These are good. They're a little on the salty side, so if you don't like that much salt, like I, don't recommend them, but they are a little bit on the salty side. So I do is like split it into 3, because sometimes you just want a little bit of a flavored nut. ZZ's birthday cake soft baked bar. Awake mint dark bite. I love Awake bars. They're so good. Okay, next one, apricot coconut keep healthy New York date bar. Ooh, this sounds good. This one's for Ryan. He already called it. It's almond toffee, Enstrom toffee and confectionery. We had one of these before and it was so good, so Ryan's like, I want it, and I don't like toffee, so that's all him. And last but not least, I think I ate like 2 or 3 things from this box, so it's not everything's in it. I think I gave 2 things to my mom. So this is Undercover dark chocolate sea salt crispy quinoa. Love a good crispy quinoa. Good stuff. But yeah, if you guys want to get your own box, I'll put a link down below. You guys can purchase your own box. I'm kind of crooked. I'm sorry. I look like I'm in the like fun house. So yeah, if you guys want to get your own box, I'll put a link down below. I believe they're still $19.99, and you get a great selection of snacks. So yeah, I'm about to make breakfast. I have a lot going on over here. I have all these bottles and stuff that I need to put away. This is the only area that's kind of clean. So I'm gonna clean first and then make breakfast. Tell you guys about this cleaner, which I don't know if it's available anymore, but it was from the brand Brandless, and it's the refillable granite and steel cleaner. And then I also bought the refillable multi-surface cleaner, and pretty much the cleaners, you just keep the same bottles and then you can just refill them. But they actually sold them in these vials. That is the same thing. So it says granite and stone cleaner. So you just, I'll show you guys how to do it actually, because it's so easy. To pop it off, you just squeeze it, pops up. You're gonna just put it in there with the casing and everything because it dissolves itself. And then fill it up with cold water. So just wait 1 minute and it's going to dissolve. Continue leaving it in there. Alright, and I'm going to start breakfast. Show you guys the little thing is completely gone. Completely dissolved. Big cup of gel. I need to dust that. Alright, so I have to put my hair down because it looks like a wrap. Okay, so I just redid the office. I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. I redid it because I might maybe start working from home. So I wanted to like just clean my desk of like anything and like just reorganize it, make it a little bit more open in here. So I'll show you guys. Hi, hello, this is me. So I did like a little, I had these pretty much, I had my desk away from the wall with this chair on the other side, and then these two chairs in front, kind of like an office, like if somebody was visiting me or like we were doing like the podcast and we were doing it that way. But this is how I have it now. I still feel like there's too much clutter in my desk. Like I want to get rid of, not the picture, just like this is going downstairs. I don't think I need this here, but maybe I do. I don't know. It just feels a little cluttered still, but I have my monitor here. We're gonna bring another monitor in. This is a laptop that I usually do like all the recording for the podcast in, and then my iPad. So it's really nice and open in here now. All my equipment is like here, and then I did have be amazing. I did have this out here, but now I have it in the closet that way, because this still looks kind of cluttered, but I need to have it that way because it's like my mics, my books, you know, I just need to have it in here. So I just put it behind the closet, and then like I kind of organized it. And then the other side is all my Poshmark stuff. So I have still stuff that I need to sell. And then this is a donation bin. And then this is just all my bags that I have that I need to organize and put away. And then just like random boxes up here. But I really like how, I like the top of that. I like how that looks. It's very nice and clean and organized. And of course, my content calendar that I have, all my ideas that I haven't even done. I need to get rid of that because I think the fires are gone. So I need to update this and just look at what I need to do. But overall, I like the space. This is just here just in case I have, I mean, I'm not going to have visitors, but truthfully, these two chairs are for our dining set downstairs, but right now we have it at the smallest, so it only fits 4 chairs, but when we open it up, it fits 6 chairs. So I just have these up here because I didn't want to put them in storage, and you know, it's a nice little spot. If I do ever need to record a podcast here though, I can get like stands that go here, and then, you know, we can record it here. I don't know. I'm not sure. This is just me thinking. Eventually this will be like our child's room or whatever, but for now it's just an office. Ryan has his own office and I have one. Actually work pretty well right now because if I'm like working from home, then I can have my own space to like work from home and we don't have to be like in the same room. I mean, ideally, I guess we would have to be in the same room. Like I would love for him to be like my coworker, but I don't know. We'll see how this works out, and we'll go from there. But yeah, that's the office, and this is still there. So there you go. Apparently, you just take this mix that's like super frothy. And you just put it on top of
Milk.
In this case, we're using oat milk.
Okay.
I don't know how this is going to taste, so
I'll let you know.
You gotta taste it and tell me how. I'm curious. Can you taste it?
Yeah.
Or do you want me to taste it?
I mean, you taste it first. It's your idea.
Okay. This is actually pretty fucking good. It tastes like so frothy. You taste it.
Huh. Interesting.
If you want to add like a little bit of creamer, you can.
No, it doesn't need any. It's actually really good.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday. I just made breakfast. I'm going to show you in a little bit. And we're watching Alton Brown. Breakfast, eggs, and toast. I'm about to start recording the podcast. Exciting stuff. I have the Yeti headphones. I have the webcam. Here I have anything that I have to search. My phone I'll use as a timer. And yeah. Wait, what is that? Oh, my stands.
Yeah, you're podcasting me?
Stands, man.
Heavy. Get a snack on a hummus and.
Yeah.
Want to bring it up here or
No, I'll go downstairs.
Okay.
Little cheese board, some Ritz crackers, salami, cheddar cheese, olives, that, and some more crackers. These are my favorite. They're really good. My dinner's cooking. Ding! Ooh, nice and hot. It was nice vlogging for you guys this weekend, but I'm tired and I just showered and I need to still upload this footage and edit it to go up tomorrow maybe. So yeah, I had fun this weekend vlogging for you guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.